I first learned to crochet when I was a teenager, and I've been hooked ever since. I turned that passion into a career when I went full-time in 2017. Since then, I've released hundreds of crochet patterns, hours and hours of tutorials, and I even wrote my very first book. What started out as just something to do with my hands has turned into my entire world. I truly don't know where I would be without crochet. Now, of all of the techniques within crochet that I love, my heart keeps going back to granny squares. This classic motif first made its debut in 1891 and keeps resurfacing in crochet patterns around the world. Now, what is it about these little squares that everyone seems to love? Honey, let me count the ways. It is portable, easy to learn, and it allows you to experiment with color. In today's workshop, I'm going to teach you how to make granny squares and then turn them into this adorable tote bag.